All right, now let's arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Yeah, buddy. Day number 3, they tell me, of the week that is the Sebring drone race. And I'm a big fan of this event. I mean, it's got its trials and tribulations here for cast, crew, and competitor as well. But really, we get to hang out in paradise, and when things are cooking like they are this morning, who has more fun than us? Absolutely nobody. We got some super fast pilots in this one. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 7 in the air are already inside of our top 64, shuffling up position for qualifying. Super Cooper was your leader on this heat, but he's going to crash into the net going on to lap number 2. And I'm watching Bilster and RaceBot FPV flying together in unison. They're the ones tangling up underneath the plane. Now it's going to be RaceBot FPV just ahead of Bilster as they work on lap number 2. Now you put Barrett FPV on lap number 2. Heads Up FPV, who's currently our top qualifier, or TQ, onto lap number 2. His opening lap looks to be a little bit of a longer one right there. That's all good.
Those who can face this world alone, who seem to get by on their own, those who will never take the fall.
We're 90 seconds in, 30 seconds still to go here in this big qualifying heat. As we have RaceBot, Bilster, Heads Up working on lap number 3. Super Koopa, Bearfly we lost on lap number 2. Back Kid and Rex we lost early as well. Looks like we have a couple in some precarious positions. 13 seconds still to go. So as I look at RaceBot, he's going to have 1 more to go. As I look at Bilster, he's going to have 1 more to go. On to lap number 4 we go, which is great news because we get to take away that opening lap. And we had some hot laps. We also go on to that lead lap with Heads Up FPV. He gets up there, 22.753. His opening lap was garbage, I believe, but all of a sudden he's got a 22.753 to his credit. He's already got that TQ time. He's just now, and he had the fastest lap. Now he's just raising his own bar. It'll be a checkered flag when we cross over next as we go through the tunnel with RaceBot FPV here leading traffic and almost caught up to him with Bilster. Bilster and RaceBot crossing over just 1.4 seconds apart. It's RaceBot just ahead of Bilster. 4 laps in 2:25 for RaceBot, 4 laps 2:27 for Bilster. But the seed time, fastest 3 consecutive, is what it is all about. Bilster not as fast as he was earlier. However, RaceBot FPV, it'll be 3 laps in 1:38 to move up deeper into the top 20 now as his seed time. Heads Up FPV, it looks like a minute on his opening lap, a 22 and a 28 is what we have on the scoring screen. That's it in all. Let's choose some quads.